Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and I'm back with a great resource for web development and design people, and it is named resource.fyi. So you can see here written resource.fyi. So it is resource and products and tools curated for coders, and mainly, as I have seen, it is mainly for web development and design people. But I guess for other people also, there, as they have mentioned, there will be resources for them too. Okay, so if these are the categories they have listed. Okay, so if I want to search for resources related to API, I click on it, and as you can see, resources related to API like Pipeline AI, Web3 Forms, Algolia, Scrape Owl, and others they have listed. Okay, so I will click on any like OpenAI. Everyone knows OpenAI right now. So I'll click on Algolia. So I guess yeah. So Algolia, this is something about Algolia. If I want to click more, we can visit their website too, Algolia. Okay. So this is the website. So if you have need something related to API, you can check this out. Okay, I will like click cross and getting back to the main website. So these are the more resources related to API. Right now, there are other categories also. Like if you want to search for developer tools, okay. So best and useful developer tools and resources, they have listed many developer tools that will be beneficial for us. So Supabase, CSS Scan, amplification, form bolt. So basically, if we want to click this, we can visit their website and use the tool. Okay. So I will not waste my time and click on something. So you can definitely check this out, right? Similarly, there are for marketing also. So okay, so basically there may most of the tools are for web development and design people, but there are also tools related to marketing and no code and other stuff also. Okay, so for marketing, these are the tools they have mentioned. Basically, these are the websites, and you can use these websites for your own purpose. Post effects, collaborating. Okay, so definitely we can visit this website to collaborating. So yeah, for your own choice, you can choose anyone and use that. Similarly, for newsletters, no code, open source, a lot of topics are mentioned. Open source, if you click on this, they have okay for open source. Yeah, for open source, they have listed these tools and softwares: Supabase, Dub, Bitwarden, Chatwood, Umani. So basically, their website will be opened and you can use this. Frontend Pro, okay, yeah, great website. Okay, so you can look into this and for your own purpose, you can use this. Like it is related to front end, I guess. Okay, so yes, for your own purpose, you can definitely use this. So I will click cross and get back to the main website. So similarly for other topics also, stock photos, productivity, serverless, skill development, for illustrations, logos, icons, design tools. Okay, there for design tools they have listed a number of tools and websites. Okay, background, gray grids, remove BG. I guess everyone uses right now. So Bull Peak and a lot of tools that they have mentioned. Pika, Photopea. Okay, you can definitely check this out and you use for your own purpose, right? So for web development, they have mentioned has CSS scan, one page love, buttons generator. Like if you're a web developer, you will know that we need we need to work on web buttons like buttons, CSS, right? Or for all those tough stuffs, they have mentioned tools and websites for us. Next.js by Vercel. Okay, Next.js, I guess everyone knows today. Bootstrap, Strappy, everyone knows these stuff. Okay, front-end provider again, Web3 forms, React Hood from. Okay, so these are the website that will be beneficial for you if you are just a web developer and you are looking for tools and resources here. Okay, similarly for Web3, like Web3 is in boom right now. Everyone wants to get into Web3. So for Web3, if you want to learn Web3 or uh, try tools and resources for Web3, then Third Web is there. Third Web is very much famous company related to Web3. So you can use this Wallet Connect, MetaMask. I guess if you are in a Web3 related stuff, you will definitely know MetaMask. Then OpenSea too. OpenSea is also famous. Then Dog Ethos, Web3.js. Like if you want to learn Web3.js, you can learn from their official website. Okay, and if you click on this visit site, it will direct into their own website, right? Alchemy, Look, Hardhat, Moralis, these are common Web3 stuff. Okay, so basically this is the great website if you want to look for resources and tools that will be beneficial for you. So do visit this website and use its whatever tools they have listed, and I will sure that it will be beneficial for you in some way. So that's all about this video, and I just wanted to share this great resource to you all. So that's all about this video, and I will be back with some more resources in the next video. And if you like whatever I am sharing, then do subscribe this channel, press the bell button for more such content, and I will be back in the next video. Bye.